Good morning, Assessor. My name is Dennis Carcilia. I will demonstrate assisting the patient in cold and hot compress. Cold compress is cold therapy or cryotherapy. For the hot compress for managing pain, inflammation, and muscle tension. Then, purpose is pain relief, inflammation reduction. Next, prepare the materials such as jug of warm water, 1 rep ice, cold pack, and hot pack. Then, clean cloth. First, greet the patient. How's your dessert? My name is Jonas Carcilia. I will assist you to your hot and cold compress. Then, locate the injury of the patient. The injury of the patient is his knee. Then, take the cold compress, put ice, and apply the cold compress. Can cause vasoconstriction to decrease the blood circulation, pain and swelling. Apply the 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Do not exceed 20 minutes and monitor every 5 minutes. Next, for the hot compress, open, put the warm water, then close, and cover the white cloth or clean cloth. Then, for hot compress, apply the hot compress. Can cause vasodilation to improve the blood circulation and to promote healing. Then, keep the hot compress for about 15 to 20 minutes and do not exceed 30 minutes. And monitor every 5 minutes. Then monitor the skin. Check the skin beneath the compress for any sign of irritation or numbness. Repeat as needed. Then, ask the patient, how's your feeling right now? Comfortable? Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Then, and after care, I will clean all the materials and remove my glove, sanitize. Then, I document it to my care plan, assisting the patient in cold and hot compress done.